coming up next week. It's a very special two-night Bachelor television event.
I've been waiting my whole life, and I could be making love for the first time.
First, on Monday night,
I'm finally heading into the fantasy suite with somebody who I'm madly in love with.
Oh.
When I lose my virginity, it will be tender, it'll be passionate, and I want it to be the greatest thing that she's ever felt.
and then it's the moment you've been waiting for all season.
Colton! Colton! Holy. He just jumped the fence.
Literally, what the I hate that I thought this would work.
Up till now, nobody knew the truth.
I'm confused, I'm terrified, I'm nervous, because I don't know. I don't know what the future holds for me.
And then, on Tuesday night, it's an explosive women tell-all when Colton returns to the stage to face the women he rejected.
Gonna go down, but he needs to hear it.
Oh, you are a liar.
Because all of your favorites are back to dish the dirt on Colton and each other.
I have no doubt in my mind that you talked mad about me.
You called us all bitches the first night. You are the person who decides to get in the middle of everything.
The drama continues next Monday and Tuesday on The Bachelor.